Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into a detailed guide on how to replace the motor in your Dyson V12 Slim vacuum cleaner. This process requires some specific tools and a bit of patience, but with our guidance, you'll be able to tackle this task effectively. First things first, you'll need to gather your tools. Make sure you have a Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a small container to keep your screws organized. If you don't have these tools handy, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier to get everything you need without any hassle. Begin by unplugging your Dyson V12 Slim. Safety is paramount, so ensure the vacuum is completely powered down. Next, locate the screws that hold the main body of the vacuum together. These are typically found near the base and on the sides. Use your Torx screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, placing them in your container for safekeeping. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the body of the vacuum. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to help pry the pieces apart if they're stuck. Take your time with this step, rushing could damage the casing. After separating the body, you'll see the motor encased inside. Before we proceed, it's a good time to clean out any dust or debris inside the vacuum. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the internal components. A clean environment will help your new motor function better. Now, let's focus on the motor. You'll find it secured with several screws. Carefully remove these screws using your Torx screwdriver. If you notice any wear or damage on the motor, it might be a good time to consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. After removing the screws, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Be cautious of any wires connected to it. Disconnect these wires carefully to avoid any damage. If you need assistance during this process, no calls, no travel is our service motto, so don't hesitate to reach out. Now, it's time to install the new motor. Position it into the housing, ensuring that all connections are aligned correctly. Reconnect the wires you previously disconnected. It's crucial to make sure these connections are secure, as they will affect the performance of your vacuum. Once the motor is in place, replace the screws to secure it within the housing. Then, reassemble the body of the vacuum, carefully aligning all parts. Remember to reinsert all screws to ensure everything is tightly secured. Before you finish up, let's talk about the importance of getting a quote before repair. If you feel uncertain about any step in this process, getting a professional quote can save you time and effort in the long run. Finally, plug your vacuum back in and test it out. If everything works smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson V12 Slim. If you encounter any issues, reach out for professional help to ensure your vacuum operates at its best. By following these steps, you not only save money but also gain the satisfaction of performing your repair. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.